hope you had a great 4-day weekend, and then this will lead into a 4-day week. So everything should be nice and short this week. The assignment we have for you is super exciting. I'm excited about it, and we'll get going. So as always, start on Google Classroom, head over to classwork, go to your daily agenda slide. Again, it has everything you need. Click on the homeschool agenda. Oh, my internet's been a little bit slow, so this will actually give you some time to actually click on these things. The first couple of places, just a reminder that I would start is always on the second slide, I would click on our weekly agenda document. That's always a good thing to have pulled up. And if you don't want to do that, you can always just click here. Again, your third slide will always have the current week that we are on. And then if you've missed something, or maybe you don't understand something and you need to go back, the next week's will be below the third slide. So we're going to do this this way, and we'll move on. So this week we're actually talking about binge watching television shows. So when you binge watch something, you sit down and you watch it. Usually it's like a whole season. And our focus this week is making a claim and then supporting it with evidence. We've worked on this all year. This is not new. We're just going to kind of reinforce this skill that we've focused on. So this week, what you're going to do, you should be watching this video. Hope everything's well. I went through a quick Google search, and I actually found out that I am on I'm going back and forth between bargaining and acceptance in the stages of grief and loss over this whole fiasco that we're dealing with right now. If you Google the stages of grief or loss, there's 5: denial, anger, depression, bargaining, and acceptance. And what they don't tell you, unless you're going to read through it, is that you can actually bounce back and forth between these. So as we go into this third week of online learning, I think I've come to the acceptance part. Now, let's move into our assignment. So the assignment is linked right here. It's also back here on your Google Classroom. If you head over to classwork and you scroll up, my bad. It's at the very top, and it's binge watching TV shows, pros and cons. Your assignment's linked right there. It's also linked right here. So if you click on it, this takes you to the physical article that you are going to read. And then if you also want to, you can have the assignment pulled up as well from Google Classroom. So linked on the assignment is also the articles. There's 4 or 5 different ways you can actually get to this article. So here's your instructions. You're going to read the pro and con article that has been linked, and then you're going to answer these 4 discussion questions. You need to answer the discussion questions with as much information as you can give us. That way I really know how you feel when it comes to this particular topic. Now, here is what this page looks like. It's pretty simple. You read through this little bit, gives you some stats, and then it goes into our pros and our cons. Now, the big thing for this week is you're going to watch CNN 10, and like normal, CNN 10, I don't care what day you do it, as long as you explain, or make sure you tell me what day it is that you've watched. That way, as I'm going through your answers, I can line those up. On Thursday, we are going to go live so that we can talk about this particular assignment. I'm really excited about it. I think a lot of you will feel both ways. Yes, binge watching is amazing, and no, binge watching is the worst. So what are the pros and cons to this? Should things like Netflix put out a whole season, or should you have to wait and watch things either week by week or day by day, however networks put that out? That's what we're focused on. On Thursday, I'm also going to post a question on Google Classroom. I will not do this until Thursday morning, and then you will be responsible for responding to at least 2 of your classmates. All right, if you guys have any questions, shoot me an email, hit me up on my office hours document. You have the link to my WebEx if you need to get in and see me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you get into this assignment, and I will see you guys soon.